That's me. That's Anna. That's Saso's mouth. That's Rynan. And why are we so happy? You see, last week, Romez, Cliff, and I went on a road trip to Las Vegas and San Diego to visit some friends. By the way, that's Cliff. He sleeps a lot. My goal on this trip was to catch up with old friends by reminiscing good times as well as creating new ones. One way is by creating an impromptu dance routine. This is Mike. We were inside the Paris Hotel and Casino. It took a few minutes to make up the routine. We probably messed it up a few times, but the memories will last a lifetime. Thanks for taking time off and spending it with us, Mike. After spending a few days in Las Vegas, it's time to hit the road for San Diego. We met up with Liza, Jill, Karmen, Richie, and y'all remember Anna from earlier. For those who don't know, she's this badass hip-hop dance legend from San Diego. I'll post a link of her YouTube channel, Boba Talk, in the description below. Here at Richie Studio, we recorded an episode of Boba Talk. I'll have the link to that video. We also made a simple robot routine just for fun. Check out our channel, because there are tons of dance knowledge from famous dancers, especially the Jabberwockies. Speaking of the Jabberwockies, we got Rynan and Saso, Tina, Anna, Cliff, and I. We all had a nice dinner while catching up on old times. After dinner, we found a bench outside, which is perfect for a simple impromptu domino routine. It probably took 5 to 10 minutes to come up with a routine. Everyone messed up a few times, but that's part of the fun, creating memories with friends. Here's our final take and nobody messed up. Tighten up on your backstroke. Tighten up on your backstroke. I said tighten up on your backstroke. It's great to catch up with old friends, but it's always better to keep creating new ones. And dance is just another tool to help us do it. If you like my videos, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate your support. Keep on dancing. I'll see you in the next video.